Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Alcatel SMARTFLIP for AT&T Prepaid. So this is a new flip phone for AT&T Prepaid. It's available now in Volcano Black. $69.99 is your price. So don't expect much. Don't expect a whole lot from this phone here. So this has like a special software on there. Yeah. So if you guys are looking for a flip phone or whatnot, AT&T Prepaid has the Alcatel SMARTFLIP here. I think this flip phone is available on different carriers as well, but under different names and stuff. So yeah, there it is in its entirety there on the front there. On the inside of there, you guys have your earpiece there, your screen there, your buttons. This is your power button / in key, send key, OK key, and then navigation buttons there, and you got your shortcut keys here, I guess. Then your number pad here. So pretty standard on that part. Yeah. Overview says here, the SMARTFLIP is a modern flip phone with some of the key essentials of a smartphone and none of the hassle. Check your text, messages, email, calendar, appointments, and surf the web. Alright, so it has like, I think it runs iOS. I think that's what it runs, I believe. Videos and images here. There's the front right. There's the phone there. There's the phone there when it's open. There's the left side, right side. I think your volume keys are on the left side, and your power button is your in key, like I said. So. Yeah, your volume button is on the left side. So, yeah, and you do have a camera there on the front, along with the external display and AT&T logo. You have Alcatel logo there on the back, and I think this right here on the back is your speaker. So yeah, there's the phone that being closed, and that's the top of the phone. Left side, bottom, front and back there and whatnot. It has easy and intuitive interface and whatnot, long lasting battery, simple connected, accessibility for all dimensions. I'm guessing this is when the phone is opened. 4.13 inches height, 2.8 inches width, and 0.75 inches depth. Or that might be when the phone's closed, I have no idea. The Alcatel SMARTFLIP weighs 4.16 ounces. Display 2.8 inches. That's the internal display. 340 by 240 pixel resolution. So it's a QVGA resolution. I believe that's what that is. 2 megapixel fixed focus camera, and yeah, the video capturing is not gonna be great on this phone, so don't expect a whole lot on this phone. 1350 mAh battery. It is removable, so that's nice. 6.8 hours of talk time. 13.3 days of standby time. Audio playback via speaker. 16 hours via headset. 16 hours as well. Chipset, Qualcomm Snapdragon 210 chipset, quad-core, 1.1 GHz quad-core processor, Snapdragon 210, 4 GB of internal memory, expandable via micro SD up to 32 GB, so take advantage of that, and 512 MB of RAM. Like I said, it does run iOS version 2.5. So you do get some smartphone features on here like YouTube, Google Assistant, and stuff like that. You do get 4G LTE, bands 2, 4, 5, and 12, 4G, that is the HSPA Plus. I'm surprised that's still a thing. Kind of interesting. 3G GSM, HD voice, Wi-Fi connectivity for the Alcatel SMARTFLIP 8211 BGN, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Don't know what version it is. Noise suppression from Qualcomm, wireless, emergency alerts, text and nano, SIM card, messaging and email there. Music, internet compatibility, sustainability there, product codes and stuff like that. What comes in the box is your quick start guide, standard charging brick, and Type-C cable. So that's pretty cool. So yeah. So there you guys have it. The Alcatel SMARTFLIP is now here at AT&T Prepaid. It's available now for $69.99. So if you guys are looking to get a backup phone or whatever, I mean, if you guys want a flip phone, here you go. You do get some smartphone features on here like YouTube, Google Assistant, and the iOS App Store to get some apps on here. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, so the Alcatel SMARTFLIP is now here at AT&T Prepaid. Like I said, this one is available on different carriers under different names. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.